Welcome to Choose One, a creative and interactive game that helps you connect your hobbies and interests to potential career paths while building teamwork and communication skills. To prepare for the activity, set up a space with tables and materials for group work. Write the guiding questions on a board or flip chart. Make sure participants have pens, markers, and paper to jot down their ideas. First, each participant writes down their favorite hobby, interest, or leisure activity. This will be the foundation for the entire game. Next, participants form groups based on shared interests. Each group identifies professions related to their hobbies. For example, if the hobby is painting, the related professions could be designer, illustrator, or art teacher. Groups rotate to new tables, leaving one leader behind to guide the new group. The next task is to explore the professions further. What skills are needed? What are the working hours and salary? What education is required? In the final rotation, groups answer. Which school subjects can help acquire these skills? For example, math for accounting or biology for medicine. Finally, each group presents their findings. The facilitator leads a discussion with a reflection question. What new things did you learn? What surprised you? What school subjects are essential for your future plans? Choose One shows that education and hobbies can lead to exciting career paths. Take time to reflect on your interests and skills. They're the foundation for building your future.